So our customer has an empty apartment in the grounds of Nisel's golf course. This place is completely deserted, so the customer wants their son to come down from London to spend the coronavirus lockdown safe here in these lovely grounds. So I'm wearing all my PPE. I'm not wearing a paper suit because the property is vacant, and I'm going to give it a clean afterwards. After I'm finished, I'm going to be cleaning everything, antibacterial wipes. Got to descale these heating elements, and I've got to change these expansion vessels, as well as some other bits and bobs on this unit. So I'm going to get cracking with these heating elements first. They're in pretty terrible shape, as you can see. And all of the expansion vessels are completely flooded, so we're going to just replace all of them on this unit. I'm going to take the opportunity whilst I can to pull all the sludge out the bottom of this unit using the hoover. And you can see the result, the colour of the water that we've pulled out of this heating system here. So everything is reassembled and repaired, and that's it now, cleaned up and tidied and ready for the customer to move back in. And I think this is a much nicer place to spend a coronavirus lockdown than London.